Hello future engineers, there is another video in plane and solid analytic geometry, particularly on finding the equation of equations of tangents to conics. So here we go to demonstrate the concept. The general way by plane analytic geometry approach is to replace x by 1/2 of quantity x plus x sub t, y by 1/2 of quantity y plus y sub t. Then x square is replaced by x xt and y square y yt, y sub yt. Find the equation of the tangent to a parabola y equals x square at the point x equals 2. Then x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 equals 0 at x equals -5. So this is part B. Solve in two approaches to verify your answers by analytic geometry and by calculus. So first, for the parabola, it is open upward vertex at the origin, that's y equals x square. And when x is 2, y is 2 square 4. So this is the point of tangency, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4. So by analytic geometry, we replace y by 1/2 of quantity y plus yt and x squared by x sub t. So that's the tangent. So y plus yt over 2 equals x sub t. We substitute the value of xt and yt correspondingly 2 and 4. So y plus 4 over 2 equals x times 2. Y plus 4 equals 4x. Then the equation of the tangent to this parabola is 4x minus y equals 4. Then by analytic geometry, we differentiate y with respect to x. That's the slope of the tangent. dy dx equals 2x, just like here when x is 2, y is 4. The slope of this tangent line is 4. So m is 2x or 2 times 2 because the x coordinate or the abscissa of the point of tangency is 2. So 4. Then we anticipate that the equation of the tangent, remember, is 4x minus y because the slope of a line in general is the negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So if the slope is 4, the terms with x and y would be 4x minus y. Then it is equated to 4 times 2, 4 times xt minus y sub t. 4x minus y is 4xt minus yt. So we just pattern that. So 4 times 2 minus 4, 4x minus y equals 4, which is the same as that. For the second one, let's transform this. This qualifies as uh, a circle. So let's complete the squares in x. Y is already a perfect square. There's no other y there. So quantity x squared plus 4x plus 4 uh, by analytic geometry first. So uh, xxt plus yyt plus 4 times 1/2 quantity xxt, then minus 21 equals 0. So substitute when x is -5 into the formula, we can solve for y. So x squared plus 4x plus 4 by completing squares plus y squared equals 21, uh, 21 then plus 4. So x plus 2 quantity square plus y minus 0 square equals 5 square. This is a circle with center at -2, 0 and the radius is 5 as shown here. Radius center at -2, 0 here, then the radius of this curve is 5. Then 1 point of tangency when x is -5. So somewhere here, there will be two values, plus and minus, but we'll just consider the positive value first. So negative 5 plus 2 square plus y square, y1 square or yt square equals 5 square. So y sub t is plus minus 4. So we'll consider first the upper point of tangency. So this is the tangent, and substitute into this equation here, x times negative 5 plus y times 4 plus 2 times quantity x plus negative 5 minus 21 equals 0. So this is negative 5x, 2x, so negative 3x plus 4y, and the constant is 21 to the right, 21, then this is negative 10, so plus 10, 31. So rearranging such that x is positive, the equation of the tangent to this point is 3x minus 4y equals negative 31. Then by calculus approach, we differentiate this equation, the original equation, with respect to x. So 2x plus 2y, y prime plus 4 equals 0. Then I replace y prime by slope m and substitute x for xt, y for yt, which is which are negative 5 and 4 respectively. So 2 times negative 5 plus 2 times 4 times slope of tangent line plus 4 equals 0. So the slope of the tangent line is 10 minus 4, 6 divided by 8, 6 over 8 or 3/4. So the expected equation of the tangent is 3x minus 4y equals 3 times negative 5 minus 4 times 4. So simplifying, that's 3x minus 4y equals negative 31, which is this, equal to this. So that's by calculus approach. Then by analytic geometry approach for the second point of tangency, which is at negative 5 comma negative 5 comma negative 4. So by analytic geometry approach, let's substitute it here. X times negative 5 plus y times negative 4 plus 2 times quantity x minus 5 minus 21 equals 0. Simplifying, you have negative 5, then positive 2, so negative 3x minus 4y equals 21 plus 10, or 4 over 2 times negative 5, negative 10, minus 21, so negative 31. Then, multiplying everything by negative 1, 3x plus 4y plus 31 equals 0, or 3x plus 4y equals negative 31. So that's the equation of the tangent to this circle at this point of tangency. By calculus approach, 2 times negative 5, that's the derivative from here. 2 times negative 5 plus 2 times 4 times 2 times negative 4 times m of the second tangent, then plus 4 equals 0. So this time the slope is negative 10 plus 4, negative 6 divided by 8, negative 3/4. So if the slope is negative 3/4, the expected equation of tangent is 3x plus 4y equals 3 times negative 5 plus 4 times negative 4. And that is 3x plus 4y equals negative 31, which is the same as that. So that's it for this video.